it is possible with SystemeIO to have vertical videos like on a mobile phone. So I will show you with YouTube. I uploaded a vertical video on YouTube, but as you see, when we add a video on SystemeIO, it always uses the landscape format, 16 by 9. So the only way to do it is with JavaScript. So it's a raw HTML, and inside you will set the size of the video in JavaScript at runtime. But in the editor, you can only see your videos in the landscape format. So I will show you the code and I will explain that you have two choices. In fact, I recommend only one. Here in the code, I've said, / 2 times, it means a comment. It means this line is not used in JavaScript. So I said, choose one only, and I choose the second one. And in fact, you could choose the first one, but I don't see why. You have the choice to set the width or set the height of the video. Of course, you could set both, and in this case, if you want to have a video with the exact dimensions, then you will set both the width and the height of the video, and then you will be fine. So in this case, yes. But what I show you here is a dynamic setting. And in fact, I want to change only the height of the video based on the width, because the width is dynamic. I will show you in the editor. A video is always inside something, inside a row. Here you have a section and the row here with 2 columns. But you can change the row dimensions, and also in the section here you have the content width. Here I set to medium, but it could be full page, so it will take the full width of the page. Here it's medium, so it has some dimensions depending on the screen of the visitor of your page. So the video inside will always take 100% of the size of where it is. So here it's in a column of a row with two columns. So it takes 100%. What you can change in the video is to add margins. So for instance, if I add a margin on the left, you see that the width of the video decrease, but it's still stick to the right of the column of this row, So you can play with SystemeIO editor with the margin, and so you can play with the width. That's why I recommend that you will only change the height of the video based on its current width. So for this, you need a formula to calculate the height based on the width, the current width, and this is the formula here. It's to calculate the height, you take the width, multiply by 16, divide by 9. And you see it's here you see offset width. So it's the width of the video, doesn't include the margins. So it's perfect for this. Then you will have a vertical video format. So the code, here you wait for the page to load first. Then you take the video element. So here you should put your video attribute ID here. And then with this, it changes the height of this video based on its current width. That's all it does here. To get the ID of your video, it's simple. You click on video. On the left, at the bottom, you have ID attribute. So this is the value that you report to the script. And then you can see what it does. The page loads and it changes the height of the video. So the video plays in a vertical format without black bars around. So here, just remember this size here. And we will see that if I add margins to the left, so it sticks to the right of the column of the row. And when I save and I preview, you will see the video is smaller, but still in the correct format. So that's it for this video. You can see that it works. So I did it with a YouTube video, but you can do it with by uploading custom embed, uploading your video file in the vertical format and play around. So I didn't try, but for sure it works the same way, just changing the height of the video element. But if you try it and it doesn't work, you can contact me. let me know, then I will look into it. I will maybe add a second example here. In my, I think that if it doesn't work, it will be just one small thing to change in this code. Very small, so that's why I didn't try, because for sure it works, but if you find that doesn't work, you can tell me, and I will fix it. Bye bye.